I've been going to the financial aid workshops for about 4 years now. Anyone who works with students should go because we have a responsibility to know the most updated information regarding how to do the FAFSA or the California Dream Act application. What I liked best about the workshop is it feels like a community. Not only do we get that experience of learning, but also too, you're in a community of other counselors, community members who do the FAFSA, so you can see what they're troubleshooting, what problems they've incurred, and what has been their suggested guidelines. CSAC's staff does a really great job of understanding not only the changes, but marking it down. They try to do a line by line that they explain to us, special circumstances. And I also love hearing from all of the members about other ideas that they have, what we can improve on, and other ideas for our students that can help us troubleshoot what they're going through, especially when it comes to special circumstances or different grants that are happening. I love the workshop put on by the Student Aid Commission because one, there's food. Two, John and Adrian do a great job of explaining everything. Their PowerPoint always goes through what the changes are, the major updates that we need to know, because as you guys know, everything changes every year. So you can't just say, oh, I know it all. We're always learning. We don't know every family circumstance. So getting that guidance and getting to hear what others are going through is a great experience for all of us. And we do have a duty to our students and families when we do financial aid, because it can be the difference between a student going to school and not going to school, depending on what they think they are getting for financial aid.